For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Hello and a very warm welcome to one and all. You're watching Newsline Digital. I'm Neha. The COVID-19 pandemic has wreaked havoc across the country. Lakhs of people have lost their lives to this pandemic, while thousands of others are fighting for theirs. The reason why I'm here is to explain to you today why a few countries have been hit harder due to COVID-19. But before we go to that, let me quickly tell you the situation update worldwide. So what's the coronavirus situation update worldwide? So the numbers as of now across the globe stand at over 62 lakh, while over 3 lakh people have succumbed to this deadly virus. If we have to talk about the top 7 worst affected countries now, we begin with the United States that tops the tally. So in United States, you have confirmed cases over 18 lakh and over 1 lakh people have died of COVID-19 in the United States of America. Going to now, in fact, the second country, that is Brazil. The confirmed cases in Brazil stand over 5 lakh, while the deaths are over 29,000. Talking about Russia now, confirmed cases are over 4 lakh, while deaths, the total number of deaths that have been reported, stand over 4,000. In UK, the confirmed cases are over 2 lakh, while over 39,000 people have succumbed to COVID-19. If you have to speak about Spain now, the confirmed cases in Spain in fact stand at over 2 lakh, while over 27,000 people have lost their lives. So these were the top 5 worst affected countries. If we have to talk about the 6th country now, that is Italy, the confirmed cases in Italy stand over 2 lakh, while the number of deaths are over 33,000. Let's talk about the 7th country now, that is India, our country. In fact, in India, the confirmed cases are over 2 lakh, while over 5,000 people have lost their lives to this pandemic. The numbers are subject to change, do remember this. Now, a few countries, of course, have seen large amount of devastation, while many others have surprisingly reported low number of cases. Despite the fact that India doesn't really have a vigorous healthcare system, but the numbers reported are seemingly low as compared to other countries. So if we have to talk about the factors that lead to it now, age-related factor. Yes, age-related factor also plays a vital role in adding to the COVID-19 tally. So we know that the people who are above the age of 60 are more prone to contract the deadly virus, and of course we also have seen a higher mortality rate in the age group above 60. But having said that, that does not necessarily mean that people who are below the age of 60 will not contract the virus. In India itself, we had cases as young as 4-month-old infant, 3-month-old infant as well, who had contracted the deadly virus. So Italy and US have higher older population compared to several other countries, well, which is why we have seen a steep increase in the number of COVID-19 cases, particularly in these two countries. Having said that, there are exceptions. Yes, Brazil has seen more deaths than Japan, even though in fact Japan has a large number of elderly population. But why is that? Because the experts also believe that in Japan the people tend to maintain hygiene. So there is the people do not shake hands, and then there are several other preventive measures that the people in Japan have been taking. So which is why it explains why is it that Brazil has seen more deaths than Japan, even though the older population is significantly present in Japan and not in Brazil. Now, another important factor that I will be highlighting is obesity and already existing illness. So here, if we have to talk about, the experts have said that obesity in particular is a big risk for COVID-19. The fact is that it is more difficult to intubate patients with obesity. If you have to talk about the percentage of obese population now, 36% in US and 20% in Italy, which is far more higher if compared to any other country, while Japan and India have only 4% of obese population. So another factor, if we have to talk about, is high blood pressure and diabetes. Let me first tell you this, that if at all you have type 1 or type 2 diabetes, you should be even more careful. So experts have said that high blood pressure and diabetes also play a very important role. In fact, in the year 2017, diabetes was just about the same in numbers in comparison to the US. But in India, of course, we reported 282 deaths per 1 lakh people due to cardiovascular against 151 in US. And in fact, these are a few numbers which I wanted to highlight. Now, another factor is blood sugar. So earlier studies have shown that about 25% of people who went to the hospital with severe COVID-19 infections had diabetes. And another factor that comes to the fore here is climate. Although, of course, there are several theories doing the rounds when it comes to climate, many researchers also suggest that COVID-19 spreads slower in hot and humid climate. But it is worth noting that the virus has appeared in countries with a wide range of climates, including hot and humid ones. The last factor that I will be talking about is lockdown. So lockdown also has attributed largely in the declining graph across many countries. Do remember that India also stepped into phase 1 of the lockdown in the very early stages, which is why we were perhaps able to control the numbers. We were able to make sure that COVID-19 does not spread further, and we are seeing the numbers are speaking for themselves. The numbers in India, of course, are lower in comparison to various other countries. Our mortality rate also is slowing down, while the silver lining, particularly in India, is the recovery rate, which stands above 48% now. So these were a few factors, of course, that one gets to see and perhaps explain why is it that COVID-19 outbreak is seen higher in a few countries while lower in a few countries. Hope this information was helpful. If at all you like this video, do not forget to subscribe News9 YouTube, like us on Instagram, Twitter as well as Facebook. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe.